Our requirement discovery feature enables you to quickly compare different versions of the same requirements document. We begin by selecting the new and old versions of the document we're interested in. In this case, the Android specifications, versions 11 and 12. In the next step, we adjust the thresholds for similarity and matches, indicating whether our platform should identify highly similar or less similar items. Once the AI scan is complete, we can review the items matched across both versions to simplify comparison. You can exclude items that are identical word for word, as well as those with unchanged semantic meaning. After significantly reducing the number of requirements requiring manual analysis, we can now focus only on those that have changed in the new version. Once the analysis is complete and all items have been carefully reviewed by expert personnel, we can export the results from the tool, such as to Excel or CSV.